Gia is here.
Hello.
Hello, teacher.
Hello. Okay. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Okay. By the way, I am your teacher for this time. Okay. I am teacher Megan. Okay. Teacher Megan. Can you say that? Okay. Teacher Megan.
Teacher,
Okay. And how
teacher
about,
Mac,
oh yes.
teacher.
Oh, hello.
Um,
Your brothers. Oh,
yes,
you're okay.
older brother.
Oh yeah. So here we go. So what's your name? You're the
My
brother.
name is Mac.
Oh, your name is what again?
Mac.
Okay, so how will I
Mac.
call you? How will I call you? Can I call you back again?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. How old are you?
10 years old.
Oh, you're 10 years old. The same with Tommy? The same
Yes.
with, oh, are you twins? Are you twins? Are you twins? No? Okay, so there you go. By the way, what is your, how are you? I mean, what is your favorite subject? Do you like numbers?
Yes.
Numbers. Oh, you like math. How about science? You like science?
Yes. I like it too.
Oh, English too. You like it? English. You like also English
Yes.
subject? Okay, that's great. So here we go. Are you ready for this time? Are you ready? Oh yeah. Yes,
Yes.
you are ready. Okay. All right. So here we go. Can you say yes, 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 I'm ready? Can you do that? Okay.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
There.
I'm ready.
Okay, so teacher will share my screen for you. Okay.
Okay.
Here we go. Let's have some talk about, okay, it's fun at the farm. You know what is a farm? Okay. You know what is a farm? Okay, farm. All right. So this time we will talk about
Farm.
fun at the farm. Okay, can you read that? Okay, fun at,
Fun at the farm.
yes, so that is an example of a farm. Okay, what are the things you can see there? Okay, what are the things you can see there? You see, I see. Oh, what's this? Oh, I can see. Oh, you know what animal is that?
Cow.
Oh, that's
Cow.
a cow. What else? How about this one? I can see. I can see.
There chicken.
Oh, there are chicken too. Another one here. Oh, it's still a chicken, but it's a roast. This one. It's a blue. Oh, you know, is it? That is a,
Yeah. Con chỉ biết gặp ai đó.
okay, that is a roaster.
Rooster.
Yes. And also, you know what plant is this here? Okay, this one. You know what plant is that? Have you?
Corn.
Okay, good. You know corn. You eat corn. You like to eat corn?
Yes.
Oh, wow, that's great. And this one also is in the farm, you can see a lot of plants together with trees, as you can see here, trees also. And field. Oh, trees with field, you can see that there. Okay.
Yeah.
Have you gone or visited a farm before? You visit a farm before?
No, I don't.
Oh, you don't. Okay. So anyway, the animals there are just few, but in real farm, there are plenty of animals. Many animals you can see. Okay. All right. So here we go. Let's have here. Okay. I'll show you some animals too. Okay. You know what are those? Those are, okay, what are those? Those are farm animals too. Okay, what's the first one there? You know what is it?
I listen the sound of the dog.
Oh, you hear the sound of a dog. Oh yeah, we have a dog here at the back. It's a bit noisy, but can you hear me? Can you hear me? Oh, can you hear me? I mean my voice. Can you hear my voice? Okay, what animal is that? That is?
It is hen.
Oh, okay. That is a hen, a chicken. How about the second one? That
It is
is...
duck.
Okay, that is a duck. And the third one?
Last one is cat.
Okay, that's a cat, or if it's still a baby, it could be kitten. Okay, do you have a chicken in your house? Do you have like that? Chicken. Do you have a chicken in your house? Oh, you have a chicken or kitten?
Kitten.
Oh, it's a kitten. Okay, you like kitten? You like a kitten? Oh, yeah. Okay, does it? So those are some chicken, duck, kitten. Okay, by the way, what is your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is cat.
Oh, cat. This, you're like cat. You know what? We also have cats in our house. 3 cats. Yeah.
I have one kitten in my house.
Oh, you have 1 kitten. And what is the color of it? What is the color of that kitten?
It's white.
Oh, all white? All
Yeah.
white? Oh, that's horrible. I like something white and orange mixed together. Yeah.
And it has a black fur.
There's black here that are all white.
Yes.
Okay, that's so hard. That's so adorable to see. Okay, so here's another one here. Okay, I'm gonna show you some picture. I want you to know what are those. Okay, you know what are those things? See that? Okay, what, do you know what's this one here? I guess you have this one.
Roof.
Oh, it's a roof. Okay, it's a roof. How about the second one? Full of sun.
There is sunflower hill.
Oh, very many sunflowers. Okay, it's big too. The sunflowers is many at the same time. It's all full of sunflowers. Okay, how about here? What kind of vehicle?
Lorry.
Yeah, that's a lorry. It is used to carry or transport things. Gonna transport from one place to another. Okay, and this one. How about this, the fourth one? What are the things?
Cloud in the sky.
Yes, there are a lot of clouds in the sky. It's cloudy. Okay. How about, can you spell the roof for me? How will you spell that? Roof.
R-O-O-F.
Okay, good job. How about lorry?
Lorry is L-O-R-R-Y.
Oh, great. How about clouds? Okay, I'm
Cloud
just
is C-L-O-U-D-S.
okay. So that is a truck or lorry, then a cloud. Okay, wow, good job. You're good in spelling. That's great. Okay, so here we go. What's on the farm? Okay, so this time we will know what are the things you can see on the farm. Okay, so where is a cloud, or I mean, where are the clouds? Okay, can you read the words here? I want you to read.
Wow.
Okay, this one is a
Field.
okay.
Cloud.
Okay,
Field.
very good.
Truck.
Okay, good job.
Roof.
Oh,
Chicken.
chicken.
A chicken. A rabbit.
Oh, a rabbit.
Duck.
And
A kitten.
okay, so this time I want you to draw a lines. Where are those things? Okay, yeah, you're gonna draw lines. Where are those things? Where you can see those things. Okay, where is, oh, it's already given a cloud. So you can see already a cloud. How about a field? Okay.
A field.
Okay, in a field you can see, okay, that is a field. Next, truck.
Truck.
Truck, where is the truck?
Truck.
Okay, where is the truck located?
The truck is next to the cow.
Oh, good job. It's next to the cow. How about the roof? Can you say something about the roof? Oh,
The roof. Yeah.
oh, what's the color of the roof? Okay. What's the color of
It's
the roof?
dark blue.
Oh, it's black, blue, or it's a gray?
Gray.
It's a bit gray. Okay. How next one is chicken.
Chicken.
Where are the chickens? Oh, okay. How many chickens you can see there? Can you count?
Five
There.
chicken. I can see them.
Okay, there are 5 chickens. Good job. Next one is a rabbit. Where is the rabbit? Oh, the rabbit is hiding. Okay. Why do you think the rabbit is hiding? Okay.
Behind the tree.
Yeah, the rabbit is hiding behind the tree. Why? Why do you think? Is the rabbit scared of something or someone? Oh, what do you think? The rabbit is looking at the sheep. The rabbit is looking at you. Okay. So, how about the duck? Okay, where is the duck?
The duck is here.
Okay, it's there. Okay, good. How about the kitten? Kitten. Oh, I guess you like kitten. Oh, that is a kitten. Wow, great job. Very good. So that is a cloud, a field, a truck, a roof, a chicken, a rabbit, a duck, and a kitten. Okay, good job, back. You have question there. Do you have any question about that? Okay. By the way, you have a question about that one or no question? No question?
No question.
Okay, I have here a question. You like to live in that house wherein there are a lot of farm animals? Oh, you like to stay and live there when there are a lot of animals? You like to stay there or live? What do you think? You're gonna stay there, you're gonna sleep there. Oh, you're gonna sleep in that house. You like it?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, yes, you like animals. That's great. Oh, by the way, are you living in a city or in a hometown? Are you living in a town or in a city?
No, I live in a city,
In a Hanoi, what? Hanoi?
Hanoi.
Oh, so in a city, what can you describe the things or that's in your environment? In a city, mostly there are a lot of buildings, right? Tall
Yes.
buildings, very busy streets.
Many tall buildings.
Oh, many tall buildings and then many vehicles too. Oh, okay, that's a little bit. This one is a town. It's in the farm. In a farm, it's very quiet and peaceful. It's so nice to stay there. Oh, yeah. Okay, let's go there. So those are the answers. How about this one? Okay. Can you see there who is playing with the puppy? Okay. Try to look at there who is playing with the puppy. Oh, is it a boy? Is it a girl? Is it an old girl? Okay. Can you encircle who is that person playing with the puppy? Okay. Playing with the puppy.
The boy is playing with puppy.
Okay, very good. You got that right.
This boy.
Okay, that boy. Great. And who is jumping? Jumping in the water. Okay. Who is that jumping in the
The
water?
girl is jumping in water.
Oh, it's the girl is jumping in the water. And how many clouds can you see on the farm? Okay, look. Can you see how many
I,
clouds in there?
I
Oh,
can see 3 clouds
oh,
above the farm.
okay, there are 3 clouds. Okay, on the farm, 3. Okay, the first and the third one is a little bit bigger than the 2. Okay, so there are 3 clouds. And how many potatoes? You know potatoes? Oh, yes, Beck. You like to eat potatoes? You know what is potatoes? Okay.
Potato
Yeah, you
is
like.
very
Oh,
is
you.
a lot of potatoes.
Oh, have you tried to taste a potato like potato fries? You know, fries is some fries are came from potatoes. How many potatoes are there on the ground? Just on the ground, not inside the basket. On the ground.
There are 4 potatoes on the ground.
Okay, very good. There are 4 potatoes on the ground. Okay, and inside the basket, it's so many. It's plenty of potatoes. Okay, how about, can you see where is the truck? Okay,
The
Where?
truck is next to the cow and in front of the red house.
Okay, wow, that's perfect. It's next to the cow. At the same time, it could be in front of the red house or behind. Okay, behind the grass. All right, good job. So let's check your answers. Okay, here we go. Okay, check for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, good job, back. Do you have any question about that one? Question. Do you have question there?
No, no.
Oh, you don't have questions, so let's go here. Okay, this time I want you to read and then try to complete the sentences below. Okay, so it's all about let's go to Mrs. Plant's farm. Okay, so can you read that one or a teacher will do first? Okay, I'll try. I will try to listen to you while you're reading that. Okay? So the title of it is Let's Go to Mrs. Plant's Farm. Okay? All right. So here we go. Okay, can you read it? Okay,
Yes.
let's
Let's
go.
go to Miss Plant's farm. On Saturday afternoons, and his sister go to help Mrs. Plant on her farm. They carry potatoes and give the animal their food. The children ride there on their bikes because it is near their home. Miss Plant has two new animals on the farm now. She got a kitten called Sunny and a puppy called Sausage. They are both really sweet.
Okay, this one is Mrs. Okay, Mrs.
This is
Right, so the title is all about Let's Go to Mrs. Plant's Farm. Okay, that's a title, right? So here we go. Okay, who is the owner of the farm? You know who is the owner of the farm? Okay, I'll explain first. On Saturday afternoon, that was Saturday afternoon, together with his sister, they went to help Mrs. Plant on her farm. Okay, they carry potatoes and give the animals their food. So they help. Okay, they help Mrs. Plant. They carry potatoes and give animals their food. And the children ride their bikes. By the way, do you have a bike? Bike. Do you have a bike? Yes, back. Do you have a bike?
yeah.
Okay. Oh, yes, that's great. So they ride on their bikes because it's near their home. So there's yes. And then Mrs. Plant has two animals on the farm now. She's got a kitten. And what's the name of the kitten? The kitten's name is Sunny. Okay, that's Sunny. And a puppy called Sausage. Okay, and the two animals are very, very sweet. Okay, so again, what are the two animals that Mrs. Plant have? She have, okay, what she have? What are the two animals that she have? She have a kitten and a puppy. Okay. So this time, what is the name of the kitten? What is the name of the kitten? It is kitten's name.
The name is Sunny.
Okay, good job. How about the name of the puppy? That is
Puppy
very
is called a sausage.
sausage. Okay, so this time I want you to complete. Okay, try to complete the sentences. Look at number 1 here. That's an example already. The children go to the farm every Saturday afternoon. Okay.
Mrs. Plant lives on the farm.
Okay, Mrs. Plant lives on the farm. How about number 3? The children blank Mrs. Plant's potatoes for her.
The
Put,
children carry potatoes.
uh,
Mrs. Plants potatoes for her.
okay, Carrie. Wow, great job. How about 4? Okay.
The children ride their bikes to the farm.
Okay, the children ride their bikes to the farm. Great job. And number 5.
Mrs. Plant's kitchen is called Sunny.
Okay, it is sunny. Yeah, that's sunny. How about 6? Okay, 6 is the
The
pets.
pets on the farm are very sweet.
Okay, they are very, very sweet. Wow, you got perfect. Oh, yes, back. You got perfect score here. Oh, yeah. Okay, good job. Wow, that's great. You got perfect. Okay, you understand the story about Mrs. Plant's farm? You understand it?
Yes. Yes.
Yes, you like also to go to Mrs. Plant's farm? You like also to visit there? Okay, you like to visit there like them?
Yes.
Oh, yeah, because they have a lot of plants and animals there. Okay, here we go. Do you have any question about that? Question, do you have question there?
No, I don't have question.
Okay, you don't have question here, so that's good. So let's try to go to the other one. Oh, great. So this time, I want you to listen and color. Okay? You're gonna listen and color. I will play an audio and you will be the one to color it. Okay? So here we go. Oh, where is that? Got this. Okay, I want you to listen and color. Now, listen and color. Are you ready? Okay, are you
Yes.
ready? Okay, so teacher Will.
3C.
Oh, by the way, can you hear
Fun
it?
at the farm.
Can you hear?
Look at the picture. Listen and colour. 1.
Can I colour the sheep in this picture?
Yes. Would you like to colour it blue?
That's a funny colour for a sheep.
Yes, it is. Do you like that colour?
Yes,
No.
I do.
Color. Color it
2.
blue.
Now colour the door for me. Can you see it?
The door of the
Okay.
house.
Yes, that's right.
Shall I colour it with my red pencil?
Yes. Good idea.
3.
Can I colour the puppy now?
Yes. Which colour shall we make the puppy?
Can I make it yellow because I love that colour?
OK. I like that colour too.
4.
And now Please colour the tall grass. Can you see it?
Yes, it's near the girl.
That's right. Colour that tall grass purple.
OK, I'm doing that now.
Great! Well done.
Okay, that's great. So here we are. What is the color of the ship? Okay, what did you use? Okay, what is the color of the ship? The color of the ship. Okay, the color of the ship is
Blue.
okay. Can you make it in a complete sentence? Can you do that? What is the color of the ship? The
The color
color.
of the ship is blue.
Okay, very good. How about what is the color of the door?
The color
Okay,
of the door is red.
red. Oh, great job. How about what is the color of the puppy?
Puppy is yellow.
Oh, it's yellow. And lastly, the color of the tall grass.
The tall grass is yellow.
Oh, is it yellow? Tall grass is
No, no,
yellow?
no, 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 no. It's
Okay.
purple.
Okay, it's purple. Have you seen a grass color purple? Back. Have you seen a grass? It's color purple. Have you seen it? Have you seen the grass is color purple? In our place, no grass color purple. It's just green,
This poison grass is
brown, and a little bit yellow, but I didn't see purple. How about in your place? You have a purple grass?
no.
I haven't seen, so I just, maybe you will just paint it. You can have it. Okay. By the way, very good because you listen well. At the same time, you follow the instructions very well. Okay, that's good job. Do you have any question about it? Question you
No.
have? Okay, you don't have question there. So those are the colors. Okay. You know that. Can people swim? Okay. Can people swim, fly, run, hop, jump, and climb? Okay.
Yes.
Oh, can people fly? Can people fly?
Yes.
Oh,
We can fly by plane.
we can fly. It's the machine who the machine. Without using a machine or vehicle, can we fly? Okay. What do you think? Oh, can you encircle here? What are the things we can do? Encircle the things that we can do. Oh, is it swim, fly? Can we fly? Oh, using our arms, can we fly? Okay. We can also jump and hop, but we cannot fly. But we can ride a plane then, let the plane fly, but it's not us. Okay, so that is no because of the word fly. Okay, so what can people do? Oh, based on your answer, when you encircle it, what can't people do? Oh, can't, cannot. Okay, what do you think? Can you write there inside the box? Okay. Oh, we can fly. Why do you think we can fly? Okay.
No. We can understand the animals' language.
Okay. Why? Why we can't fly? Oh, okay, because we don't have wings, right? Ah, okay, there you are. What are the animals? The animals. Okay, we'll talk now animals. What are the animals that can fly? Okay, can you share it?
Bird,
Okay, bird. What else? Birds.
dragon, eagle.
Oh,
Mm,
eagle. Um, how about insects? You know insects? Oh,
yeah.
oh,
Cockroaches.
oh, okay. Okay, how about aside from cockroaches? Sometimes they can fly too. What else? During nighttime. And then there is light. Nighttime. What else? How about, okay, this one. Colorful, I mean, animals that will fly together with, they like to hop with the flowers. Okay, you know what are those? You can have also butterfly, bees. Oh yeah. Okay, yeah, bees. But it's a little bit scary sometimes. Maybe they're gonna bite us. Okay, that's great. So here we go. Let's have here. Okay, can you see my screen? Okay,
Yeah.
all right. This time, say which picture is different and why it is different. Can you encircle the picture that is different?
Picture different. And
Different in the group. Okay. Different. Okay. The first, by the way, what's this? What is this? The first picture. You know what is the first picture here? What is that? That
one
is
because lion, panda, and puppy is walk on the ground and
okay.
dog is fly in the sky.
Okay, they can walk. Okay, very good. Those animals can walk. Great job. And this one, they can, the bat can fly. Okay, very good. How about the second one? Oh, what place is this? Oh, yeah, I like to stay that place. How about you? You like to stay that back? That one? Oh, what place is that?
Beach.
Oh, beach. You like to stay in a beach and you're gonna swim, enjoy, and play there? You like to stay in a beach? Teacher
Yeah.
like it. I like to swim.
Me
By the way,
too.
you know how to swim too?
Yeah.
Oh, that's
I
great.
like swim on the sea.
Me, I like to swim all over the sea for the whole day too. I'm gonna play volleyball at the sand and the seashore. Okay. How about this one? What place it is in the second picture? That
It's
is,
a park. It's a
oh, a park. What we will do on the park? Oh, what are you gonna do in the park? If you will go or visit in a,
We can
you can. Have you visited the park?
go for a
Oh,
walk.
I'll go for a walk. What else? Oh, you can just relax there.
Fishing.
Sit and relax. Okay, you can have also picnic, right?
Go
Pic
picnic.
oh yeah, very good. Go picnic. How about the third one? What is that?
I think is this place is the garden.
Oh, it's a garden. It's full of okay, it's many full of plants and flowers. Oh, it's full of plants and flowers. Next one here. Oh, you like to stay there?
Playground. It's playground.
Playground. You like to play in a playground? Oh, you like to play in a playground? You like to play there?
Yes.
Oh, in your school, do you have a playground also? Oh, like that in your school? Do you have a playground? In your school, do you have like that? Or no playground in your school?
Oh, in my,
Ah, oh, no playground. Because in our place,
my
in a
school only have a jet.
okay, no playground. So your answer here is your answer there is okay. Which one there is the different? Okay,
The
that
beach.
is beach. Why is the beach is different among the four places?
Because beach had a lot of water, and on the at the park, in the garden, on the playground don't have a sea.
Okay, so the park, the garden, and the playground, they are on the land. Okay. Okay, your answer is correct. And then this one, that is water. There's a water farm. Okay, very good, back. Good job. Okay, that's great. Good job. How about this one here? Okay. How about number 3? Okay, you know what are those animals there? Oh,
This rabbit and
oh.
lorry.
Okay, rabbit. Why is rabbit is different there?
Because rabbit is the animals on the ground, and the shark mm,
Shark, the whale,
ah
the whale.
well
Then
and
the,
dolphin is
uh,
the animal mm, under the sea.
okay, good job. Very good. How about number 4? Your answer is a lorry. Why it's a lorry is your answer. Okay, by the way, this one is what's that? You know what?
Because door, window, and roof is the tools of the house,
Oh,
and
part.
lorry is I did not say that.
Okay, parts. Okay, we can say the door, the window, and the roof are the parts. Okay, parts of the house, right? Parts of the house, and the lorry is not parts of the house. Okay, so that is a vehicle. Oh yeah, that will transfer vehicle that will transfer one place to another. Okay, so good job. Your answer here is correct and very good. That's great. So do you have any question about here? Oh, question that you want to ask to me about that? Do you have?
No.
Okay, no question there. Okay, let's try this one here. Okay, those are some. Okay, so here we go. Can you see that picture there? The circle, you see that? Okay, which animals? Okay, which animals live in these places? Which animals live in that certain places inside that circle? And I want,
Shark.
okay. Shark. Okay. You're an animal and you live in the sea. What kind of animals are you? Okay, she can see. What part is this? Can you see this one?
It's a farm.
Oh, great. That is a farm. How about here, this part? Oh,
This is the forest
okay.
or
That's a
jungle.
oh, that's a jungle, that's a forest, and you can see a lot of forest animals. How about in here? Oh,
It's under the sea.
it's under the sea
Ocean.
and
It's big
oh,
ocean.
under the sea. Okay. And the last one here.
Last one is savannah.
Oh, yeah. So can you tell me what, can you write something here and animals that will leave that area? Just one animals. That's one animal. Okay, you can write here. Can you do that? What animal that will live in a farm? What animal that will live under the water? Okay, you can also use this one. Is it, you can have fish, dolphins, sharks,
Sharks
and
and whales.
whales. Those animals will live in a, okay, where do you think they're gonna live and stay? They're gonna grow, they're gonna live. Where are they gonna live? They're gonna live in the underwater. Okay. How about this one? This one. Monkeys. Oh,
Monkeys.
snakes. Snakes.
Snakes. Tigers. Spiders. Lizards. Do you know lizardon?
Oh. Oh, what again?
Lizardon.
Oh, yeah. Yes, I hear that.
Bats.
Oh, so where those things live? Or will stay? Okay, is it on the farm too? Or in the forest? Or in the jungle? Okay, they will stay in a... what do you think? Okay, they will live and stay in a... Oh, they're gonna stay in a forest. Oh, in a jungle. Okay, tigers, snakes, very dangerous snakes. Okay, there. You have a question there?
No.
No question for that. Okay. So here also another one. How about this one? Okay, there are also another animals. Giraffes, lizards, hippos, elephants, crocodiles, lions, parrots,
Parrot.
rags,
Frog.
and spiders.
Spider.
Oh, where do you think they gonna live? They live in a...
Africa. Or
Ha.
savannah.
Oh, yeah. Mostly they live that it's full of animals there. How about horses, cows?
Horses, cows, sheep, ducks, chickens, goats, dogs, cats, and flies live in farm.
Okay, live in a farm. Okay, very good. So your check for this one here and another check for this one. Okay, very good. All right, do you have any question about those things? Okay, question. You have question here? You want to ask something to me about the things that we discussed this time? Oh, you want to ask the teacher something about the things we discussed? Okay, no question?
No.
Okay, so there you go. I guess that will be all for this afternoon. And thank you so much, Beth. Okay, thank you so much for this afternoon. And I hope you learned something from me. And thank you and bye-bye.
Goodbye,
Okay,
teacher. See you again.
goodbye. Okay, bye-bye and see ya.